Hi guys, welcome back to Kat's Kitchen. So today we're going to be working on boneless chicken wings. So we have everything laid out that we need. I already have some chicken tenderloins chopped up into just, bite-sized cube pieces. Nothing too fancy here. We just wanted to be fairly small. And then over here I have 1 cup of flour with all of these seasonings in it. I also had garlic powder too, but I actually used it up. So garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, red pepper flake, seasoned salt, pepper of your choice, chili powder. I had a little bit of this rub left, and then I had some parsley. Over here in this pan, we have 4 eggs, full eggs with a little bit of filtered water. And then I put in some of the similar seasonings too. I put in cayenne, onion powder, seasoned salt, pepper, chili powder, and that's it for the egg wash. And then I have my 2 pans here lined with foil. So basically how this is going to go is we're going to take the chicken cubes, roll them in the flour, put them in the egg wash, take them back in the flour to double dredge them, and then we're going to lay them out on our trays. And then these trays are going to go into our air fryer. And then while that's cooking, we're going to make our sauces. So here we go. Just gonna grab, and I'm just using I have just 2 cake pans here and a slotted spoon. Just kind of getting it all coated. You can use gloves if you want. I'm just kind of dusting off the flour a little bit. And then we're going to put these in our egg wash. Dust off the flour, shake it off. This is how you're going to get your chicken crispy, right here, with the double batter. Very similar way for if you wanted to do any breaded chicken. This is a good recipe for that. Okay, and then over here, we're just going to make sure we coat them both sides. Okay, make sure we get all that flour coated. And then we're going to take them, let them drain a little bit. It's okay if it's not perfect. And then we're going to put them back in our flour for a second dredge. I'm just going to coat these ones up. Okay. And then we're just going to take them, and you can kind of pick it up and just toss it around a little bit, and then we're just going to place it onto our foil, like so. You can use your hands if you rather use your hands. When you're working with chicken or any meat products, you always want to have 1 clean hand and 1 dirty hand. That way, in case you need to touch a utensil or a spice, you can have 1 hand to do that freely without cross-contaminating anything. Okay, I'll show you again. So coming out of the egg wash and into our flour. You can hear behind us, we do have our air fryer heating up. I have it on 400 right now. We're just gonna have to watch these to see how long they're gonna take to cook. I would say, because they're smaller pieces, I would imagine they're gonna take maybe 15 minutes, maybe. We'll just keep an eye on them. We'll be checking them basically every 5 minutes until we know how long they're gonna need. So to serve with this, we have some coleslaw that we made, and we also have some stuffed eggplant. I will leave the recipe for the stuffing that we used for the eggplant. The eggplant was fairly easy to do. You just wash it, cut it in big thick slices, and then you're gonna pan fry that with some butter and olive oil. And then once you get to that stage, you're gonna put the stuffing on it and then pop that into the air fryer. The video that we made on the stuffed mushrooms that we had currently made, unfortunately we had some technical difficulties with that one. So, but I will definitely, it's the same stuffing though, stuffing for the mushrooms and same stuffing for the eggplant. It's really good. It's just Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, the ends of the mushroom stem, and some garlic and some seasoning. That's really all it is. It's very easy and it's really yummy. Honestly, it is. So I'm going to finish getting all of these dredged, and then we're going to line them up here, and then we're going to pop them into our air fryer. And we're going to, like I said, we're going to check them about every 5 minutes because this one runs pretty hot. So we will see you guys back here whenever we're working with our sauces. All right, so here we have the chicken that just came out of the air fryer. We're just taking it off of the foil, and we're going to put it into our bowl before we sauce it. We have 2 different sauces. I have a barbecue sauce that I made, and then we have a mixture of some hot sauces, whatever you prefer, whatever you like. Cooking on 400 for about 10 minutes, checking them every 5. If you're using an air fryer with a basket, it's perfectly fine too. Right in our bowl. Next, we're gonna put some of our homemade barbecue sauce in there. And then we just give them a little bit of a spin. And a toss. Perfect. Alrighty. Barbecue's ready to go. Now we're gonna make our hot ones. And then any kind of favorite hot sauce of yours. We have a friend that makes this one for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one first. We're going to give it a little sample taste and see if it needs any more punch to it. And then we'll add another hot sauce as well. Okay. Stand it when wings don't have enough sauce on them. Definitely have to have enough sauce. Okay, and I'm just going to taste a little piece in here. See how it is. It's very good, but it's not very spicy. We're just going to go in with generic hot sauce. Just a little bit. If you want to sweeten this up too, if you want like a sweet heat, you can add a little bit of honey or even sugar. And I might even do that because I do like a sweet heat taste. Honey. This will help cool down any bit of the spice. Put the this one mixed in. So this is everything for today, guys. We just wanted to do a buffalo boneless chicken wing for you and a spicier version. That way you can see what you like and what you want to play with. We'll show you the final frame whenever we've plated up everything all together with the coleslaw and the stuffed eggplant. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I come out with new videos. And please leave a comment below too of what videos you would like to see. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.